First of all, say why are you going to doing that?
Because
you
shit
the
a Pro-Evo.
Is viciously biased.
Yeah, because they're awful player.
Every more shots on
Another
target.
player.
5 less goals. Makes no sense. Ready?
Yep. What the hell are you doing? You're doing none of it. Look, you're not drunk here. What is that? What is that with? Drink none of it.
He put all in his mouth.
Oh god.
Knock it out.
No!
Put that up. Right now.
Say hello to the camera.